Yo, what is good? I am Richie Kim and welcome back to Richie Revs. Today's gonna be a different day, kind of. You know, I am going to another meet, but this isn't one that is normally held, I guess. So K&N is actually hosting a Cars and Coffee today. It's gonna be actually held at Angel Stadium. So I feel like the turnout is gonna be pretty damn big. But then again, you know, it is a Saturday morning and there's like all these other Cars and Coffees that are going on. So I don't know, we'll see. But they apparently moved the location to Angel Stadium because there's you know, a lot of cars coming, or maybe there were a lot of cars that came last year. So yeah, I mean, should be pretty cool. I've really actually only been to Angel Stadium once, even though I've lived here for a long time. But yeah, I mean, it'd be pretty dope to have a Cars and Coffee in the parking lot because, you know, obviously you got the stadium in the background and their parking lot is huge. So yeah, I'm expecting a pretty good turnout. Who knows what's going to be there. All makes and models are welcome, so should be pretty dope. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. You know, I'm rolling in with a few friends. Truvi, he brought his Cayman. And then Emma and Anna, they're in a Corolla in the back. But yeah, I mean, you know, it would have been cool if we rolled in with more people, but I get it. It's pretty damn early, especially on a Saturday morning. But yeah, I mean, still, you know, like I said, hopefully turnout is great. I haven't done like a POV drive in this car in a while. Not a canyon drive, just like a drive. So I'll probably keep the video running. Let's see if we see anything nice on the road. Maybe we can get some like some rolls in or something. Actually, really quick, let me know in the comments down below if you like the Elantra N content that I've been putting out. I know a lot of you are, you know, here for M3 content, G80 content, or just like straight up BMW content. But, you know, I do want to branch out, you know, maybe even have like, I don't know, guest speakers, if that's what you want to call it. You know, have Will, you know, give his little review of his 350R, or, you know, how his mods that he's done or whatever, and like other cars too. You know, I have a friend with a GT3. Maybe you all want to hear him talk about it. I know he's had that thing for a little while and I know he absolutely loves it. Maybe Truvi with the Cayman in the back. So yeah, I mean, just let me know down in the comments below if you want to see, like, you know, more diverse content, or do you want to see, like, you know, a strictly like M3 or Beamer channel? Because me personally, like, I really do appreciate all cars. So, you know, I respect most other builds, I'll say most. And as you know, it's dope to get someone else's perspective on their own cars, because, you know, obviously, you know, we have our own opinions, but getting it from their point of view is pretty cool. So yeah, I mean, let me know, comments below, please. I'd appreciate it. Damn, everyone's pulling up. All the bikes. Got some old muscle cars in the back. This is crazy. I think turnout's about to be fucking crazy. Damn, everyone's pulling up. All the bikes. Got some old muscle cars in the back. This is crazy. I think turnout's about to be fucking crazy. Alright, so we're out here. There's literally all types of cars over here. So there's a lot of like stance, like JDM cars, got American cars. I mean, look at all these freaking Corvettes. It's literally just like a whole line of Corvettes. It's actually kind of crazy. But yeah, I mean, we're gonna go walk around and stuff. This is what I like down there. There's too much shit here. Too much shit. Yo, look at the lights on these Challengers. And Chargers. It's crazy. So many American cars. Where are my Euros at? You know I'm a Euro fan. Oh, there's some more down there. Alright. Got like lowriders. This is literally like everything. No wonder they have a fucking baseball stadium parking lot for this. Yo, someone parked their Tesla over here? What the hell, man? More Americans. Man, there's a lot of American cars here. Diversity here goes crazy. Got the Lambo over here. Got a Z over there. A Beamer. Okay. More Americans. I will say there's way too many Americans for my taste, at least. But you know, all the cars are still dope, you know. Damn. They really have everything at this meet. Look, I mean, they got the lifted SUVs. They got a bunch of Jeeps over there. They got the oh man, I forgot what these are called, but the cube Scions and whatever. They look pretty cool though, but definitely not my cup of tea, you know. Got some more American cars, the Cadillacs. Ooh, they got some stuff over here. Let's check it out. Some more Cadillacs? Oh my god. Yeah. That's a pretty sick, what is that? Tech? Some Acura? Pretty dope though. Yo, look at this. Is this actually a Street Hunter kit? I don't know. But this Z is super clean. Hey Mel, if you're watching this is some goals right here. This is really clean. All right, so yeah, I mean, there's a lot of diversity at the meet. You know, it is what it is. Did see some pretty cool stuff though. There's just hella American cars. You know, I would have liked to see, you know, I guess some more Euros and stuff. So actually, we are now on the way to South OC Cars and Coffee. anyways, like I was saying, we are on the way to South OC Cars and Coffee. You know, I'm really not sure what's gonna be there because K&N Cars and Coffee is going on right now. I'm definitely gonna see exotics and stuff over at South OC though, because I mean that's what that place is known for, and we barely saw any exotic cars over here. So yeah, I mean, we're gonna go check it out. It is a little bit late, so hopefully we still see like some cool stuff there. So yeah, you know, I'll pick this up when we're at that meet. Maybe we'll see some cars on the highway again, and we can do some rolls. Probably not though. I mean, yeah, I'm not really sure what we'll be able to see at this hour, I guess, on the road. Alright, so pulled up the Cars and Coffee. Hella people are leaving now, but ew, look at this thing. Disgusting. I hate it. Hate it.
What does RPM Tesla mean?
I don't know. Doesn't make sense because it's got no RPM, right? Well, maybe.
Pretty lively still. Around 10:30.
You call this lively? I mean, yeah, there's a decent amount of people, I guess. But yeah, still got some stuff for sure expected. There are a lot of cars that are just leaving, you know. Usually this whole like freaking line is just full of cars, but yeah, I mean, everyone's just leaving right now. But there's still some pretty good stuff here. I mean, there's still a good chunk of Porsches. There's some McLarens, you know, I guess Ferraris, RCF right up there. I still see some Supers over here too. Supers are like over on that way, but yeah. But I mean, yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. I mean, so many cars left. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to film any more today, so thank y'all for watching.